So today, while I was watering my hibiscus plant, I found that most of the leaves were turning yellow. The stems were also turning droopy. So I carefully examined the plant and found that there were small orange bumps on its stem. I initially didn't know what they were, so I searched it up on the net and found them to be scale insects. Scale insects are similar to mealybugs, and the ones I had were colored mostly orange. Some of them were green also, and they form a type of a covering or a shield, waxy covering, so to hide and protect themselves and their eggs underneath. The scale insects are mostly found in warm places and moist areas, and they mostly like to be on the joints where they can hide easily. Here you can see the scale insects which are literally all over my plant, and they have covered my entire plant, so I had to fix them ASAP. The scale insects suck the sap or the honeydew out of the plant, making it weak and it may eventually die. And it also promotes the growth of sooty molds and also attract insects. Here you can see how the ants are attracted to the scale insects. They are sucking the sap, and there are literally too many of them. The insects have a type of mutualistic relationship with the scale insects, or you can say a type of bhaichara in which they both equally benefit each other. So what these ants do is to protect the scale insects from the predators and other insects, and in return they harvest the honeydew which the scale insects make. So most often when you have ant problem in your garden, they're most likely to be scale insects or mealybugs. So you should fix this problem early on, or it may get difficult later to remove them. In mild cases, it is effective to remove them off with a damp cloth, and in major cases, you may remove and dispose of the diseased part. As my plant was moderately infected, I decided to use neem oil solution because I prefer the organic way. You may also use the soap solution if you like. Well, what I did was I took half a mug of water and added a cap full of neem oil plus 2 to 3 squeezes of any shampoo. And in case you want to go all herbal, you can use herbal shampoo which are easily available nowadays in the market. Just mix it all up using an old toothbrush like here I am using. You can either directly spray it on the plant or do it step by step like here I did using an old toothbrush. Clean every stem step by step. Yeah, a leaf or two may fall off, but that's okay. You can see here how the scale insects are falling off one by one. So that's why I prefer the toothbrush method instead of the spray method. Try to do it direction wise and clean every corner where the scale insects are most likely to hide. Carefully clean each corner, gently rub the plant. You can see how they are easily falling off, significantly reducing the numbers. After you have thoroughly cleaned the plant, look for any remaining infection beneath the leaf or in any joints where the scale insects are most likely to hide. Just let it remain for 2 to 3 hours before thoroughly cleaning it with water. Here you can see how my plants look after I have thoroughly cleaned it with water. All the stems are mostly clean and there are literally no sign of infection. And here's a quick tip: just perform all these cleaning in the evening time, as the plant performs its daily activities in the daytime, and thoroughly clean the plant after spraying the neem oil solution. So guys, if you like this video, then I would really appreciate if you can go and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So go right now and hit the red button down below. Thank you.